Hello everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So if you're wondering kind of what's going on with my makeup right now, we are going to film a tutorial on this look, obviously, and it is inspired by my favorite alcoholic drink, White Claws, the mango flavor. I'm hardcore obsessed with this drink. I can drink so many of them. They're so good, so refreshing. Let me know what flavor is your favorite, and if mango is your favorite, then we could be best friends, right? Because I feel like anybody who likes mango, White Claws are kind of on the same level with life. That's how my philosophy is. So the hype is real, the obsession is real. This look was inspired by the packaging, the orange and the yellow, which by the way they did change it, which I'm kind of glad they did because the yellow was kind of boring. But anyway, if you want to know how to get this look and all the other makeup that I put on my face, then just keep watching. Hope you're excited about this tutorial. I've been thinking about doing it for a while. I saw somebody do a makeup look inspired by Black Cherry, and it was really cool, and that kind of sparked the idea. But yeah, I'm so excited about this, and I might make it into a series if you guys like it. So let me know what color or what flavor you want to see next. And I also might start doing makeup inspired by beer or other favorite drinks like cocktails. I saw Shan XO do a series on her favorite cocktails and makeup looks inspired by them, so it's kind of a cool thing. I like it when makeup looks are inspired by things. It's really fun. So today we are going to be using the ABH Lorvina palette for most of it, and then also a shade in the BH Cosmetics. So let's get started. Look at this beautiful thing. This is kind of inspired by the mango White Claws too, because it's got the orange and the gold, which is kind of like yellow. But yeah, so this palette is so big. But we're gonna start by putting this shade A3 in the crease, and we're gonna buff that in real nice. This is a tutorial, so I'm just gonna put the shade on and kind of fast forward through, but you are zoomed in, so I will try to remember that when I'm doing my makeup. Okay, we're gonna take A2. A2 is a true orange. And you're gonna put that a little bit lower. Yeah, good, I didn't use this shade. A little bit lower and kind of buff that out too. So it's kind of like an ombre situation. I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna take the shade E4. It's a matte yellow. I'm just gonna put this down as a base color. Then we're gonna go over top with another. It doesn't take very much for this shade to be vibrant. Okay, and then going into the BH Cosmetics Festival palette, we're going to take the shade Euphoria, and we're putting that right over top that matte shade. That's really how I'm gonna leave it. I'm not even going to do eyeliner or anything. I don't want to take away from what's going on the color. So now we're gonna do the rest of my face. So I'm gonna zoom you out. And for blush, I think I want to use something neutral. So we're gonna go into BH Cosmetics and just take the nudist shade in there. Highlighter, I wanted to use the Jaclyn Hill Becca face palette. I'm gonna mix Prosecco pop and Champagne pop. But mostly going into Prosecco pop. Okay, and for an inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go into the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival and take the shade Trixie. It's this whitish gold color. Okay, so just to finish it off, I just did my lipstick, which was ColourPop Layover. Just a really great like peachy nude to go with the look, so it's not too like wild and crazy. But I really like how it turned out. I think it's pretty like spot on. Let me know what you guys think down below, and thank you so much for watching, and also let me know which flavor you want me to do next, and hopefully we can get like a series going. That would be kind of cool. But again, mango White Claws are my favorite. If you know me at all, you know that. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.